Hello and good morning, dear kids. Children, I am welcoming you in our computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter number more about Scratch. In this chapter, today we are going to learn the topic. As you can see on the screen, the topic name is Setting the Rotation Style, which is given on page number 62 in your computer textbook. So let's start the topic, Setting the Rotation Style. So children, this is my computer screen and today we are going to learn the topic Setting the Rotation Style of chapter 7. For that, let's start first our Scratch 2 offline editor program. I have already the shortcut for Scratch 2 program on my desktop. This is shortcut for Scratch 2 program. So I just double click on this and it will open. You just have to click left mouse button 2 times at a time. I will click it. Okay, so it will open Scratch 2 offline editor. Now let's maximize it using this maximize button. Click on this. Okay, so this is full screen of Scratch 2 window. Now in your textbook on page number 62, this topic is given. In that some steps are also given. We are going this steps wise. Before that, let's get intro of sprite info pan. So where is the sprite info pan? Yes, when sprite and this eye, you can see on the top left corner of the sprite this eye button, and when you click on this eye button it will show us the sprite info pan. This is our sprite info pan and cat is our by default sprite. Now here you can see the rotation style. Yes, we have three types of rotation style: circular arrow, linear arrow and disable rotation. Circular arrow rotation enables full rotation of the sprite. Linear arrow enables the sprite to only face left or right. We can say that this rotation allows the sprite to see only left and right. And the last is disable rotation. This disables rotation, so the sprite remains fixed to 90 degree. Okay, so these three types of rotation style, and in your textbook some steps are given. First step is open the Scratch window, delete the cat sprite and add jam walking sprite on the stage. So first we have to delete this cat sprite. Okay, so just click on the sprite info pane again, it will hide. Now on the sprite cat anywhere you have to right click. Okay, press right button of the mouse. Now you can see one shortcut menu appears. In this you have to select this delete option. So click on this delete option. You can see our cat sprite will be deleted. Now let's add new sprite. For that we have this new sprite button. The first is from Scratch library. So click on this first new sprite button. You can see this new sprite, and from here we have to add Jammy walking sprite. So it's a boy. So click on people and find Jam walking. Yes, this is Jammy walking. So click on this, it will selected. Now click on this OK button. You can see our sprite is on our stage now. Now open the sprite info pane. Okay, so this is sprite info pane. Click on this and change the rotation style. It is by default circular, but we have to change it to the linear arrow rotation style that is given in your textbook. Okay, so select this linear arrow rotation style. Now our rotation style is changed. So now linear arrow rotation style enables the sprite to only face left or right. Okay, so this sprite will see only left or right now. Now we have to add script. Okay, this script is given in your textbook on page number 62 in figure 7.8, script for walking boy sprite. Okay, so let's add this script in our script area on this jam walking sprite. Okay, first block is when flag clicked. So this block we can find in control block. So event block. So click on event and select when flag clicked block and drag it to the script area. Next is forever block we have to add. So this block we can find in control block. So click on control block. Here third is forever block. So click on this forever block and drag it to the script area and place it below the when flag is clicked block. Now in forever block we have to add 4 blocks. First is next costume. So this block we can find in the looks block. So click on looks block and find next question. Here it is, next question block. So just click on this and drag it to the forever block. Okay, next block is move 10 step. It is very easy block, so we can find in motion block. So click on this motion block and find move 10 step. Just click and drag it to the script area and paste inside the forever block. Next is if on edge bounce. This is the block. It says that first we have to add this block if on edge bounce. It is also available in the motion block. So here you can see if on edge bounce. Okay, edge means border. Yes, if our sprite will reach at the border, it will bounce. Bounce, here our rotation style is linear arrow, so it will change its direction. It means it is going on the left side, then when it comes to the edge, it will change its direction and its direction become right, and it is walking on the right side. So let's click on this and drag it to the script area below the move steps block. Now last is wait 0.1 second. This block we can find in the control block. Okay, so click on control and here it is, wait 1 second. We have to click on this 1 and type 0.1 from the keyboard. Wait 0.1. 0.1 means so tiny part of second. Okay, now our script is ready. When we are clicking on green flag, then and only then this script will execute, and it's in forever block. So it will never stop until we click on red stop button. Okay, so let's click on this for green flag and see what happens. Click. You can see our gem walking sprite is walking because we give move 10 steps. So it is take 10 steps every time, and if on edge bounce, when it comes on edge, you can see it is changing its direction. Okay, left to right, because we set rotation styles to linear arrow. Okay, it moving every time 10 steps and wait 0.1 second, and if it come on edge, then it will change its direction. Okay, and you can see it is looking very nice. Jammy walking on our stage. So now let's see other rotation styles. When I click on this circular area, what happens? See, circular rotation. Click. You can see our jam walking side is top to bottom, means it's rotate. Okay, you can see now it's head on bottom side. So this is a circular rotation style, and when I click on this disable rotation, what happens? See, it's moving backward. So it's disables the sprite remains fixed to 90 degrees, means it's fixed to its position, not changing the direction and not changing the circular motion. Okay, it will come to backward. Okay, so this is our 3 rotation styles for this sprite. Okay, understand how can we rotate our sprite? In next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.